Welcome to Mellowbites. I'm Purna.
And I'm Deepa.
And welcome to Mellowbites Spice Series episode number 6. In this Spice Series episode, we're going to be making Thalapakatti Biriyani Masala, and also we're going to be making Thalapakatti Mutton Biriyani.
Biryani is an emotion for everybody, and there are various varieties of biryani in each region. And today we are going to specifically see downside Tamil Nadu Dindigul region special Thalapakatti Mutton Biriyani. So let's start making Thalapakatti Biriyani Masala, and Purna is gonna make that. And then I'll show you how to make mutton biryani in Thalapakatti style.
In a plate, take 2 tablespoons of coriander, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of black stone flour or Kalpasi, 6 pieces of green cardamom, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, 2 bay leaves, 2 star anise, 1 inch of cinnamon, 2 pieces of Javetri, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 10 pieces of cloves. You can sun dry it for a day or 2 for longer shelf life, or just you can transfer it into a mixie jar and blend it into a fine powder. This simple and easy Thalapakatti Biriyani Masala powder makes your biryani much more special, and you can store it in an airtight container for up to 3 months. Now let's see how to make super delicious Thalapakatti Mutton Biryani using this spice powder.
Let's start by adding 1/4 kg of mutton to the pressure cooker along with some adequate salt and turmeric for the mutton. Saute it for few seconds and add a cup of water to it. Now pressure cook it for 12 to 15 whistles or until the mutton is really soft and well done. Here I have taken 15 shallots, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 green chilli, 1 to 2 red chillies based on your spice level, and 1 handful of mint leaves and 1 handful of coriander leaves. Now I'm gonna blend it into a fine paste. Meanwhile, I have taken 1.5 cups of Seeraga Sambar rice. And this biryani is made only with this rice, and this rice is so small and tiny. Yet this gives a special aroma to this Thalapakatti biryani. I have washed and kept it soaked while the mutton is getting cooked in the cooker. Meanwhile, I have blended the masala into a very fine paste. Now let's check if the pressure has gone in the cooker. Yeah, it's gone. Let's open the lid. The meat has cooked really well. Now let's collect the mutton stock and measure it. Here we have 1 cup of mutton stock. Let's keep these aside. Take a heavy bottom pot. I am using an anodized pot. To this, add 3 to 5 teaspoons of ghee. Once it melts, add the ground paste and saute it until the raw smell goes off. Now add this 1.5 tablespoon of freshly ground homemade Thalapakatti Biriyani Masala powder. Saute it well for nearly 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1/3 cup of yogurt and adequate salt needed for the rice. Mix it well and cook it on simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the cooked mutton pieces to it and saute it until the masala is very well coated over the mutton. You can see here, see. Now you can see that mutton is coated very well with the masala and it's completely cooked. Add the mutton stock that you have kept aside. Here I have 1 cup of mutton stock, so I am adding this, and I am adding remaining 2 cups of water that would help to cook the rice. So overall it should be 3 cups of liquid to cook the rice. So based on the mutton stock quantity you have, add extra water accordingly. Let the water come to a beautiful boil. Once the water is boiled, ensure the salt is right, and then add 1.5 cups of washed and soaked Seeraga Sambar rice. When you start seeing the bubbles on the top, let's cover it with the lid and simmer. Now, Thalapakatti biryani is almost getting ready. Let's take a look into how it is. I have cut cilantro for garnishing. Are you curious, Purna?
Yeah, let's open it.
Let's check now. Wow, see how beautifully the rice has been cooked. Let's garnish it up with cilantro. I can feel the aroma of the biryani coming in. The mutton and rice have blended very well, and this is definitely gonna be so yummy. I'm going to immediately serve this hot because Purna loves mutton biryani, and she'll try it out and say how this Thalapakatti biryani turns out with the homemade masala.
Yeah.
So here we go.
It's super delicious. It is super amazing.
So, do try this Thalapakatti Mutton Biryani at your home and let us know how it turned out. Also, let us know in comment what other spice powder recipe do you need to post, and we'll definitely post it for you.
Yeah, this mutton biryani is super spicy and delicious. So hope you should try out this masala and this biryani. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.